my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today we hit 4,000 subscribers, yay! So another milestone that you're with me. I want to thank you everyone who subscribed to my channel and for all your support. So I'm just doing a quick tutorial, a special for 4,000 subscribers. As you know, I'm a big fan of Kuromi. I grew my love for Kuromi just recently, and I made quite a few things, 3D perler for Kuromi. So this time I just want to add another Kuromi 3D perler to my collection. So if previously you guys have built this one with these 4 characters, they're so lovely. If you haven't checked it out, I'm gonna put the link right here so you can go check it out. So today we're gonna do the tutorial to build Kuromi. I hope you like this one and tag me on Instagram for a special shout out. So it's super easy to build if you have built the collection before. It's not a lot of pieces, so I hope you have fun with this. Alright, thank you again for all your support and love. Alright, let's get started. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.